Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 7th November current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, National Water Awards. Here, here the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Reservation is organizing the second National Water Awards, that is in 2019 distribution ceremony on 11th and 12th of this year, November 2020. Why we have to celebrate or why we have to organize this National Water Awards? Here, the awards are given to motivate the individuals as well as organizations who are doing commendable work in the field of water resources and conservation and management. We know that water is very important for our livelihoods. This water also going outward. That means water is in a scarcity. We know that one situation in main city of Chennai, there is a shortage of water. That's why in that situation, individuals as well as organizations are ready to concentrate on the how to conserve or the how to manage the water resources in that situation. That's why National Water Awards will give the important role in that conserving the water resources. Next one, India and Italy relations. First of all, these two countries have the some good relations, but when there is a case, that is Enrica Lexi case, that means two fishermen shot by Italian police people, that two were dead. That's why after that case, between these two countries relations are very slow. Now there is a virtual summit, there is a virtual bilateral summit between these two countries, India as well as Italy, between Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Prime Minister of Italy Professor Giuseppe Conte. Here what they will discuss, first of all, on regional and international issues, both sides agreed to coordinate closely at multilateral fora, especially G20 countries. Here India has also welcomed that Italy's decision to join the ISA, that is International Solar Alliance. First one, they want to coordinate closely between these two countries on the regional as well as the international issues at the multilateral fora, especially G20. Next one, fast radio bust. Wide news. Why? Because NASA has reported that it observed a mix of X-ray and radio signals. X-ray and radio signals never observed before in the Milky Way. Here, how this fast radio burst will work. Fast radio bursts are brief, energetic blips of radio waves that originate far across the universe. At least one repeats, which has added to the challenge of explaining what might be creating them. A new model accounts for past observations and predict specific features that should be seen going forward. Here, basically, it's an emission of radio waves and it's a mixture of X-ray and as well as this radio waves. We cannot predict or we cannot locate them. Why? Because it can passes or it can emit in a milliseconds. That's why we cannot locate or we cannot predict that when they are happening. Here if you see the how these works, here first step, that is a magnetar releases a flare of electrons and other charged particles. Next one, the flare collides with the remnants from the old flare, creating huge magnetic fields. Here it will create the huge magnetic fields. In the third one, in the ensuing shock, generating electrons generate energetic radio waves. It will generate the energetic radio waves. As the shock slows, the radio signal downshift to the lower frequencies. That means from higher frequency to it will, whenever it that shock slows, it will goes to the lower frequency signal. After that it will disappear. That is called, that is how fast radio burst, that is FRB, will work. Next one, Myanmar 1982 citizenship law. Very very important. Why? Because there is a citizenship amendment act in India. There is a migration problem throughout the world. Humanitarian, it consider it here, we have to consider on the whether we have to consider as a between two countries, or it is considered we have to consider it as a humanitarian conditions. If you see that Myanmar 1982 citizenship law, the Myanmar Army Chief Senior General Min Aung Hlaing has said that issue of citizenship of Rohingya is solely a matter of domestic law. That means it is only it is only related to the matter of Myanmar only. That means no other country, maybe India, not Pakistan or any other country, could not involve in that matter of Myanmar or citizenship of Rohingya. He also said that the citizenship process in Myanmar is subject to the 1982 citizenship law, which it identifies only 135 indigenous ethnic groups. Ethnic group means that groups are native to that place. That's why we will call it as indigenous ethnic groups. And Bengalis as well as Rohingyas are not the among these. That means they identified 135 indigenous ethnic groups. These two groups, that is Bengalis and Rohingyas, are not among these one. If you see that major ethnic groups in Myanmar officially recognizes 135 ethnic groups, but Rohingyas and have been rendered stateless and stripped of their citizenship. If you see that ethnic groups are Bamar, Shan, Karen, Rakhine, Rohingya, Kachin, Chin, Karenni, Mon, Moa, Wa, Kokang, Chinese. These are the ethnic minority states, includes other Rakhine states. It is about Myanmar 1982 citizenship law. Next one, in the series of UPSC previous paper analysis, that is UPSC Prelims 2020, we will discuss the 7th question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the general difference between plant cells and animal cells? Here the statements are given here. Plant cells have cellulose cell walls, wheels. Animal cells do not. Here plants cells do not have plasma membrane, unlike animal cells which do. Here mature plant cell has one large vacuole, whilst animal cell has small vacuoles. Here select the correct answer using the given code below. Here options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. Before going to answer this question, right side I have given a picture. There is a difference between plant cells and as well as animal cells. Here if you see that mitochondria will be there in both animal cell and plant cell. Lysosome will be there. Endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane also is there. That means plant cells do not have plasma membrane. That means these plant and animal cells will have this cell membrane. That means we can eliminate, if you eliminate this second option, A having the second option, B will have and D will have. Now we can eliminate one option, that is second option. We can put it C as the right option. We can see the other differences between these plant and animal cells. That is Golgi apparatus, peryxomes, nucleus it will have, cystole cell it will have, cytoskeleton. These are the similarities between animal cell and plant cell. Whenever you see there is no cell wall related to plant cell will have cellulose cell walls, but the first option, that is animal cells, do not have. That's why the first option is correct. Only plant cell will have the cell wall only. Here chloroplast, that means we know that with that having the plants chloroplast, they are able to produce their own food. That's why chloroplast is not there in animal cells. And vacuoles are also is there in both plant cells and animal cells. Here the right option for this question is C, that is 1 and 3 only. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.